Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And yeah, today I would just show you guys my nightly routine. I just want to do a video for the guys, you know, because I feel like we don't get a lot of videos just to show how to make sure your skin gets right and, you know, self-care and all that. So like we need that for men too, so I just thought I'd do one myself since I'm not finding one. But yeah, we just start with, you know, basic washing your hands. You gotta do that. During COVID I read that 20 seconds is like the best way to wash your hands. Like that's the most efficient way. So I always count 20 seconds when I'm washing my hands now, and you know, just getting the crevices and everything. Make sure you get in between and your fingernails and all that. Just make sure your hands are clean, because you can't really wash your face effectively if your hands are not clean too. Get some clean hands. And then I use Cerave foaming facial cleanser. Cerave, whatever, but that's the face wash I use. And yeah, I think it's a really good one. It's recommended by the dermatologist, so that's the one I use the most. Just get it all soapy in your hands and just do circular motions with your face, bro. Make sure you just get every part of your face in between, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I just do like circular motions to make sure it's getting some. After I put it on my face, I just actually use a facial scrubber. You can just find these on Amazon, honestly. Just look for a facial scrubber, because I feel like they do just a better job than your hands can, and you can get a much deeper clean. And you just go circular motions with those. You just get more into your pores and stuff like that. So yeah, if you want a better clean, I suggest getting one of these facial scrubs. Get your self-care right, buddy. And then yeah, I just wash my face off. I suggest using warm water actually, because that's better for your face than cold water. Just, you know, make sure it gets into the pores more. I don't know where I read that, but I know that warm water is better than cold water for your face especially. Yes sir. So after doing that, you know, I just use paper towels to dry my hands, because it's just cleaner. So then while your face is still wet, put that beard oil. I use Honest Amish. It's a really good brand and it's all natural ingredients. But yeah, you're supposed to put it when it's wet, so you just put a couple drops, rub it in between your palms, and just rub it in your beard. Make sure that beard is growing. Mine's not connecting yet, but it soon will be, trust me. And the beard oil definitely got me farther than I could by myself. So, and then you just dry your face. Pat dry, by the way. Do not scrape your face with the towel. That's bad for you, because you get rid of all the minerals or whatever that you need on your face. But just pat dry, and make sure it's a separate towel as well. Do not use the same towel for your face and your junk, bro. You know you're not supposed to be doing that, bro. Get a separate towel. After that, I put a little eye cream. This is just me for personal. It's Cerave again. It's an eye repair cream. I just get a lot of bags under my eyes, because, you know, I never sleep really. I don't sleep well anyways, so you just put a couple dots in there under your eye. Kind of looks like that. Kind of looks like an avatar makeup or whatever, but you just rub it in with your pinky and then you be chilling. But to each his own. If you don't get really bags under your eyes, I mean, you ain't gotta do this. After that, I get my Curology, and it's just some moisturizer. If you have acne problems, I suggest getting Curology. I'm not even sponsored, but they really helped me on my acne journey. And I just really like them because their ingredients are super simple, nothing complicated. It's not like a miracle, you know, cream like everything claims. It's just simple ingredients that are good for your skin. So I just use a moisturizer because it's simple and efficient, and your skin kind of glowing after that. Okay, after that, on the night routine, I'm gonna go into my pouch and get my toothbrush. You gotta brush your teeth, of course, every night. You gotta wet the brush before and after the toothpaste, trust me. And if you do it any different, you tripping. Your cycle, I don't know how you do it. You gotta wash it before and after, bro. Ain't no other reason, bro. But yeah, just brush your teeth. Make sure you brush your teeth 2 minutes. I usually watch videos while I brush my teeth just to pass the time. So if you're impatient like me and got a little ADHD, can't pay attention, just watch a video where I brush your teeth. And then yeah, just use a mouthwash after brushing my teeth. For the mouthwash, I use extra whitening, Crest Advanced. I don't go overboard with the over whitening stuff, but I definitely use it occasionally. And then for the toothpaste, I use Crest Pro-Health, because just make sure the teeth are happy and healthy. So I feel like that's a good balance. Just make sure one of them is healthy, is based on like making your gums or teeth healthy, cavities, whatever, and then one should be for whitening, you feel me? So it's a good counterbalance, so either for the mouthwash or the toothpaste. So then after doing that, a lot of y'all don't do this, bro. You gotta floss, bro. Get your floss. They're really cheap at CVS. I just get the basic ones. You don't gotta get the name brand ones. You basically wrap it around your finger, and you basically you file it inside, and you go up and down on each side, and then you file it back out, you feel me? And then you roll new roll, and you do that again. Make sure you're not using the same line for everything, because you're basically just spreading the germs you're using from one teeth to the other. So make sure it's a new line every time, so you're really flossing efficiently. You get what I'm saying? And after that, because you know, you just touch your teeth and cavities, whatever, with the floss, you gotta wash your hands again, 20 seconds again, just sing a song, you feel me? Make sure you get that in 20 seconds in every crevice of your hand. And look at them pearly whites, bro. Come on now. Not playing with our teeth this year, bro. Our teeth gonna be healthy and happy. We're not gonna get no veneers, bro. We don't need them. We don't need them. And then I get my Curology, and this is just a cream to help you fight acne. I really like Curology, like I said, because it's specified towards you, the cream. So you just answer a couple questions from the doctors, and then they'll tell you what you need. Just tell them what issues you have, and then they'll send a bottle that works for you. That's why I like Curology. But yeah, they definitely done wonders for my face. I know my skin is not like great, but my skin has gotten a lot better. I used to be a pizza face, bro. Pizza, pepperoni, mushroom, all that. But now my skin looks a lot better. I don't get as many pimples. Like I used to get a lot, and now I get like 1 or 2 occasionally, and not even often. And make sure you get every crevice. You see what I'm doing right here? In between the beard, on your temples, bro. Don't miss those spots. Those spots are also essential, because you know why? Because when I don't rub it in those places, I get pimples in those places. I've literally gotten pimples on my temple, because they're like, oh, you got caught lacking. You think I didn't see that open spot? You feel me? So you gotta make sure you attack every single spot, so you never get caught lacking by the acne monsters, bro. Trust me. Last but not least, you gotta get your bonnet to make sure you sleep well, your hair is kept. You can style it like this, you feel me? A little Snoop Dogg on there, or you know, a little jester action, you feel me? You see what I'm saying? You can style it, bro. Everything's a style. Everything is a style, bro. If you know how to put swag on it, you can put swag on anything, trust me, bro. Yeah, just make sure you got a bonnet to cover your hair. It doesn't matter what your hair length is, either a do-rag or a bonnet, you need something to cover it to go to sleep, bro. Make sure your hair doesn't get messed up during the night, bro. And yeah, guys, that is the video. Thank you for watching. I hope all the files learned from this, or whoever else is watching just likes, you know, watching nightly routines. Hope you enjoyed. All right, guys, have a good night. Peace.